Alright guys, back again. I've got Alex G here, round 2, 2012-13 Panini Rookie Anthology Hockey, live here on Blowout TV. 2 more boxes coming at you, bud. Alright, box number 1. Start with the Prism Pack. Matt Donovan. That's a first pack without an autograph there. Alright, we've got Colby Roback, numbered 318 of 699. Rookie Treasures dual jersey autograph. Nikolai Havebulin, game-worn gear jersey. Claude Giroux, insert $9.99. We have Yari Curry, Great Outdoors to 500. Nicholas Backstrom, $9.99 insert. Autograph of Brandon Mashinter, Metallic Marks. That one not numbered. Ryan Suter, $9.99. And jersey of Mark Stahl, game-worn gear. Next up we have a Jordan Nolan. This is the Panini Titanium rookie, number to 100. Doug Gilmour, Legacies insert, $9.99. And last pack. We got a 2-color patch of Travis Zajac. And that one is numbered 29 of 50. All right, we got an autograph of Mike Komenarik. And there goes an ambulance. Autograph of Keith Ali, numbered. There's a number on that. Don't see a number in. All right, we've got a glove piece. Nice, Patrick Waugh. There you go. Said you were looking for Avalanche. That'll do it. All right, next we got a triple here. Triple patch, Iginla, Tanguay, and Stajan. That one is 32 of 50. $9.99 Corey Perry insert. We have a Greg Anderson game jersey. Legacies insert of Pierre Turgeon. All right, Simon Gagne, Kingsmen jersey. Henrik Lundqvist to $9.99. All right, we've got intensity insert of Martin Brodeur and a Dalton Prout. 646 of 699. Blue jersey autograph. All right, last pack. We've got Gabriel Dumont, rookie, number to 999. All right, again, Alex, appreciate it, buddy. Get it all out to you ASAP.